guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the Makartt glitter polygel kit. This is what the box looks like. It has a really cute little, cute little design on the front. Yeah, so when we open up the kit, this is what you see. This is what the top of the box looks like. A fairy gathering. This is the fall and winter collection. The first thing you get is this 100 and 180 grit hand file, a polygel brush, base coat and top coat, slip solution, a mini nail light. This nail light is so cute, it's so tiny. So what it looks like. Then underneath you have some dual forms here. They're curved dual forms. I don't really like dual forms. I didn't use them in this video. And then we have the cord for the nail light. And then I got two different polygels. The first color I got was STILETTO. I don't really know how to pronounce the names. But yeah, it's this clear iridescent glitter polygel. Second color is Narita. I think that's how you pronounce it. Whatever, they're cute, really cute names, but I'm not really sure how to pronounce them. So you get a clear glitter and then a purple sheer glitter one, which they're both so cute. Yeah, so these are the swatches, and let's get right into this nail set. So here are my natural nails. We're just gonna start by pushing back the cuticles like normal. I was really excited to try this kit, and I was just excited to do my nails because I had just gotten my wisdom teeth taken out. I got my wisdom teeth taken out and then I filmed this video, so I just wanted to do my nails and bring some comfort to my life because I did not expect getting your wisdom teeth taken out would be that painful, but it was really bad. So anyway, after I pushed back all the cuticle, I'm taking my cuticle scissors and I'm just cutting off the excess cuticle. Now I'm taking my e-file with a fine grit sanding band and I'm just removing the shine from all of the nails. This is gonna help all of the product stick to the nail better. Next, I'm taking my hand file and I'm just cleaning up the tips of my nails because even though they're glitter polygels, like you can still see through them, so I wanted the nail underneath to look nice and neat. Then, instead of using school glue as my peel off base coat, I got a couple comments that said to put cuticle oil on your nails and then put top coat. So that's what I did and it worked really good. If you guys need a peel off base coat but you don't have a peel off base coat, I recommend this. Put cuticle oil on your nails and then put some top coat and then cure that. After I put on the cuticle oil and top coat, I glued on the nail tips. I used base coat to glue them on. I just put some base coat at the tip of my nail and then put the nail tip on and then cured it in my nail lamp. So then I took my tip cutters and I just cut these nails down. I wasn't really sure what length I wanted, so I just kept cutting until I thought they were a nice length. And then I took my straight edge nail clippers and on the thumbnail, I'm making it a stiletto nail. I made the thumbnail, pointer finger, and pinky nail stiletto. So what I do is I basically kind of like graph out my stiletto shape and then I cut it, so I kind of lightly press in the nail tip to make it turn white, and then I cut off the excess tip. I just did the same thing on the pointer finger and the pinky finger. And then I shaped the nails. I shaped the nails off camera because I didn't know what I wanted to do for this nail set. So I was taking a long time. So then I painted on some base coat and then I'm taking this Burano nail foil glue. I just painted a thin layer on the nail and then I cured it in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm taking these foils that I got from Born Pretty and I'm just rubbing in the foil design on the nails. So on the pointer finger, I only put the foil design on the tip of the nail because I was gonna do an ombre. And then I did the same thing on the ring finger, but I did the whole nail. So I painted the nail foil glue, cured that for 60 seconds, and then put on the nail foil. I used this nail foil because it kind of reminded me, like fairy garden party or something like that. And then I just put on some base coat over the where I put the nail foil because I added these gold charms. I added like little tiny stars and little moons. I think the gold just added some nice touch. And then I cured that in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. Then I'm going right in with the polygel now. I'm taking the clear glitter color and I'm putting that at the tip of my nail for the pointer finger. I'm just smoothing that out. The pointer finger, pinky finger, and the thumb are ombres, so I ombre the two colors. And then I'm putting a big bead on the ring finger. I did these nails in one bead because I just didn't really feel like doing the two beads. I just did one bead and it worked out really good, especially because this polygel was kind of on the stiffer side, but it was good for only using one bead. The apex stayed in place, you know, and then like it wasn't runny at all. So the texture of this polygel was really good. I always liked Makartt. Makartt polygel is always good. So after I got the clear parts of the nails done, I took the purple glitter color and I put a bead at the tip of the pinky finger and I just smoothed that out. I basically did alternating ombres. So on the pointer finger, I did a purple to clear glitter ombre, and then on the pinky nail, I did clear to purple, and on the thumb, I did clear to purple as well. So then I just took a big bead of the purple polygel and I put that on the middle finger and then I just smoothed that out. So on the thumbnail, I put another bead of the purple on the thumbnail. I cured everything for 30 seconds. So yeah, I just cured all the polygels for 30 seconds in my nail lamp. My nail lamp is in the description, by the way. Get some comments that ask me what nail light I use, and it's in the description. So everything cured fine. Everything worked really good in this kit. And I felt like the pinky nail and the thumbnail, just the tip of the nail just wasn't thick enough. So I put another layer of the purple. And then I'm taking the purple again and putting a bead at the cuticle area of my pointer finger. I'm just making it flush to the cuticle, you know, really thinning out the polygel and then pushing it as close to the cuticle as I can. And then I'm just ombreing that up into the rest of the nail. And that's how I created my ombre. The ombres were like subtle. You couldn't really tell that they were ombreed until you like really looked up close, you know? But I didn't mind. I think it was nice that it was subtle because I didn't really have to do that much work when it came to the ombre. And then I just took the clear and put the clear near my cuticle on the pinky nail, and I did the same thing for the thumbnail. So I am using the slip solution from the kit, and I'm also using the brush from the kit. I did not use the nail light from the kit because I know it works. I know it works, but I just didn't really want to use that mini nail light when I have a giant nail light and I'm doing these extra long nails. But I know it does work, and I'm glad that that tiny nail light came in the kit because you always need a nail light. And sometimes it's just easier to get the nail light with the kit already than having to buy a separate one. I want to try the other colors. In everyone's videos, they always have these same two colors as me, and I want to see the other colors. I think there's a pink and a blue, but I'm not really sure. But I want to see the other colors that is in this collection. So on the pointer finger, I didn't make the tip thick enough, and I didn't want to build up the nail with more of the clear glitter polygel because I didn't want the design underneath not be able to see it because of all the glitter. So I just took some clear polygel and just encapsulated the nail and made it thicker. So I didn't encapsulate the other ombre nails because the ombre was so subtle that it was like I could file and it would still be okay, you know? So I didn't encapsulate the other nails. So then I took my extra slip solution that I had left over and I wiped off that tacky layer of the nails. And then I have my Makartt dust collector and my hand file. I'm just gonna reshape these nails. These nails are just so beautiful. We're not even done yet, but I'm telling you now that this is one of my favorite sets. I think it might be my new favorite. So if you guys are interested in this kit, all the information for it will be in the description. I do have a code for Makartt website. I think it's nailsbyvic. Yeah, it'll be on the screen right now. You can get 15% off from the website, and I do earn a small commission, but I do think this kit is worth it. I mean, these colors are so cute. If you guys do get this kit, let me know, and I want to see what nail designs you create because there's a lot you could do with these glitters and stuff. took my fine grit drill bit and I'm just going to remove the scratches from all the nails. So next, after I'm done shaping and filing, I just put some top coat on the nails and I'm gluing on these crystals and gems. The information for all the gems and stuff will also be in the description. And yeah, I decided to use that like big centerpiece because it just reminded me of a garden, and I don't know why. I just thought it would look good with this set, and it did, because that like in the middle of that little gem is like purpley green. Kind of. The nails are purple and then the glitters are green, you know, so it fit really good. I glued the gems on with top coat because I knew that these nails, like I already put the peel off base coat thing, so I knew that these nails weren't gonna last, so I didn't really want to do the extra work and put like clear polygel, whatever. So if you really want your designs, gems and crystals to last, you should probably put like clear polygel, so you should probably add that. So after I'm done putting on all the gems, I'm just going to add top coat to the rest of these nails. And then once I top coated all the nails, I turned the nails over and top coated the underside of the nails. Now I'm taking some dipped and dusted nails cuticle oil and I'm putting some cuticle oil on all of my nails, and then I'm rubbing that in. And here are how the nails turned out. We need to take a moment to appreciate how good these nails look. I don't know what it is about this set. These nails are they're just my favorite. I am really proud of this set. This set looks so good. The apex on these nails were nice. I didn't really show it, but trust me, the apex was nice. And the length, I love the length. I mean, I only want to do long nails. Anyway, the information for this kit will be in the description. Let me know what you guys think of this set in the comments, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.